I got a store. Hey guys, this is Vess and welcome back to another unboxing. So this unboxing, I am unboxing the pins and the cards. I'm freaking excited. And the reason why I'm excited is because didn't think they were gonna come that early. Well, today's the 16th, but they came on the 14th and I was super excited. I had to wait to even open them up. So because I wanted to wait for the cards, and the card came the 15th, and I was like, yes, I can do an unboxing. But I'm super stoked because I'm like, been waiting for this for the longest to see what they look like and all that good stuff. So these are the two boxes, and I got this little box. This little box is the cards, and I know that they're the cards because 200 cards don't need a big box. And then I got this big guy from the studio. This came all the way from Hong Kong. I did not even know. So, you know, I didn't think it was gonna come with all these labels. Like, look at all the labels. But it has all the labels, the full description of like what's inside of it and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and crack these things open. Let's go ahead and do that. Got my trusty dusty utility knife. And what I'm gonna do is, on this end, I'm gonna cut up that side. I should cut underneath it so I don't cut up like the boxing stuff. I don't know, but let's see. Let's cut underneath it and see what happens. Hopefully I don't destroy anything like your girl always does. Let me stop. A lot of mail came in, you know, within the week, so you know, you guys will be seeing this in the future. This is a past tense type of thing, but it's good to show you guys like my life after Kickstarter and just getting stuff together, getting it together. I'm gonna also open this one so that I'm not like shuffling. So again, take my knife, go down this edge and open it up. Boom. It should have went boom. It didn't go boom. Oh. Yeah, so okay. This is what the Pulsey cards look like. I'm gonna go ahead and take one out for you so you can see it. They're two decks, I would say. They're very shiny. Like if you can see, it's like, there goes the shine. See how like shiny they are? What I did was I changed up the Celestial Pulse logo so that it can match up the Pulsey cards. So if you see, it's the Pulsey card itself, and then when you turn it around, it has like all my social media. My thoughts are to put the pins right here where Pulsey's like holding it with his feet, and it's gonna be like the exclusive enamel pins. The back is empty so that when the pins are clipped, none of this good stuff is in the way. So yeah guys, this is exactly what it looks like, and I think both sides are shiny. So this side is shiny and so is this side. So it's like really shiny cards. They're like trading cards. They're not like thick or heavy or anything like that. So I'm gonna do a video of me putting them together so you guys can maybe possibly do cards yourself and then add the pins and sell them at conventions. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, beautifully done. I had fun making these, and Justin thought it was like a really cool idea because these were not the original idea for them. I had a different plan, but I just went all out because I love my Kickstarters. I love my Pulses. I love you guys so much. I like to like put effort and oomph into my designs. So opening this bad boy up, turns out they gave me $10 off my next order, and they came with like a little brochure. I was kind of worried because I didn't think they were gonna come on time, but yeah, basically this place is the studio. They help with t-shirt making, banners, pins, you know those things that you stitch on your patches, those, you know what I'm saying, they do a whole bunch of those type of things. It's free shipping, free design, like there's designers on hand just in case you mess up on your logo or anything like that. They fix it for you. And you know, just building your brand, that's what it helps you with, and creating your image. So I think they're okay for right now. Not sponsored or anything like that. I just bought them and just trying to check them out and see how things come out. Turns out I got a whole bunch of bubble wrap in the whole in the box. Oh my god, hold up. So I took out the bubble wrap and this is what they look like. They're freaking huge. Look at this. Wait. Look at this thing. That's freaking huge. Oh my god. Hold on. Would it even go on the card? It will, but it'll like go over Pulsey a little bit. Like it'll, yeah. Oh my god. I didn't think they were gonna be this huge. Okay, I got 1.5 inches because I was like, I want a big pin where people's like representing. They're like, yo, what's that? And they're like, yo, Celestial Pulse. Go check it out. And your girl got it, I think, big. I think I could have went with a 1 inch. The lady helped me reduce it to it because I was going 2 inches. I wanted it really big. But she was like, no, you gotta go a little bit more, you gotta go down because that's huge. And I was like, nah, it's not huge. And if you guys see over here, excuse my mess, I got my pin rack, you know, starting up. So I got like Ghost Kiss pins, and I got you know, everybody's pins that I buy and I represent, like for the ghosties and pulses. I like to have their pins when I help support what they're doing. And your girl was basing it off of this little one right here. Look how big. Look how big compared to that. That's freaking huge. Alright, whatever. It's gonna work though. We're gonna make this work. But yeah, guys, this is freaking huge. They're really gold. I went with it's gold, but it's antique finished. So you have that gold shine, but if you see, the reason why you can see Celestial Pulse and all that good stuff is because it has that gold finish, like that antique-ish finish. So it, you know, it makes it look better. I wish that my freaking camera could, you know, show you guys better. But yeah, these are what they look like. I got 200. So I have like a whole mega bunch of these. And yeah, we are going to go ahead and pin it to the pin, the pinno thing over there. So usually, I might not though. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out of this bag. And you can see, even without it, it's like very shiny. It's like, it's huge though. I guess because my hands are smaller. I don't know. But compared to the one that Plume had made, I was basing it off of Plume. I wasn't really basing it. I didn't think, I guess. And these are freaking huge. So I don't even know what is gonna happen. But yeah, it's supposed to sit right up on this bad boy like this, because Pulsey's supposed to be like holding it with his feet almost like that. I wish the glow, you know, I had this glowing and I thought that was gonna suffice, but it looks like it's just gonna be in the way, which is fine. And I'm gonna have it like this. So Pulsey will be holding the Celestial Pulse circle logo, because we got the wing logo and we got a circle logo. Just put it together like so, and that should look good enough. I think, I feel like it would. It's not like pinned all the way to it. Like, let's see if I turn it around maybe. Yeah, if I turn it around, it'll like, just imagine imagine that the pin is basically turned the right way. It'll look something like this. That's what I'm hoping for, and that'd be fine, because it'll look like Pulsey's holding it with his feet. That's what I want. I want like Pulsey to show his face a little bit, because you guys helped me with creating something like this, and this is awesome. I know $10 was the amount that we all agreed on. So if you're ready to get your pins, I will be posting it in my store. My store is down in the descriptions. It's squareup/store/Vesenia Designs. I'll put it as the first thing that you see. But yeah, I'll be posting these up in my store along with book 6. Book 6 has not came to me yet. I gotta talk to my printer because he is he's a lot of late. He was supposed to get back to me on Friday. It's now Monday, and no, it's now Wednesday. So let's see if he comes back to me Friday. If not, I'm gonna have to talk to him. But beside the point, this is about the pins. Pins will definitely be up, so you can order your pins now if you want them now. If you waiting for them for book 6, just hear out for my announcement. I will be making that soon. And yeah guys, $10. I'm not too I think I can ship this in like an envelope overseas and it won't be that much. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna try to talk to my USPS people about it. But yeah guys, pins, we got a whole bunch of them. Got 200 of these bad boys. A lot. A lot. So yes, the main gist of it is the pins came in, and I'm going to go ahead and add them with the Pulsey cards, and we shall see what happens with putting them together. I'm gonna start that video as soon as I finish with this one. So yeah guys, that's what I have to say. I know it was repetitive in me continuing it, and then that's because I'm really astonished on how huge it is. I think it's a really good quality, so shout outs to the studio for hooking me up with a great representative. They called me and actually got this thing together, so she was a great help in helping me try to figure out about the pins. Hopefully if I do reorder, I don't have to pay for molding costs and it'll be cheaper, but we shall see what happens in the future. And even if these pins make some type of, if it runs out and stuff like that. These were a hefty price. I think I paid $500 for 200 of these big guys, and the cards, they were no more than like $25 plus shipping. So it wasn't really expensive. When I put it together, it's by the cents. So by the dollars actually. The cards will be by the cents, but the pins will be by the dollars. So definitely looking forward to selling them, seeing how it does, and building our post community and see how much of you guys are willing to represent gold wise, because that's what I think about you guys. Your hearts are gold to me. You all gold posties to me. So definitely representing. So yeah, if you ready for one of these, it will be in my store. The store is down below. That's to help with everything. So it's gratitude all over for anybody who gets these. I will be putting like special messages with it along to go ship with you guys and all that good stuff, because I love doing extra stuff for you guys, so I'm cool with that. But yeah guys, definitely go to my store, check it out. Book 6 hopefully will be soon and stocked up, so I don't have to be worrying about it every 5 minutes. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, hit the like. And if you're new here, you're like, Bess, thank you for that little unboxing. And I definitely check out the studio if I want to make my own pins. Don't go 1.5, go a little bit smaller than that. So yeah, definitely do that. Sorry for the buzz. And if you're new here, you're like, thanks Buzz and all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe, become one of our family members of Pulse. And I do on contests like this, I'm like, woo, all over the place. So come join us, come embrace what we do. Again guys, remember that I stream Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, not 12 at night, 12 in the afternoon. So I will say noon Eastern Standard Time. That's our schedule and we're sticking to it. We do the best there. Sunday streams is really like chilled, whatever I feel like, how long I feel like. So come, we had jokes, we had everything. Come join us, have fun with us there. it was awesome for the last couple of weeks that we've been doing this type of stream. So yes guys, and thank you guys for those who were with me that last that art thing that I was going through. And I was really bratty, but that's because it's just my creativeness. I don't like to give out, you know, crap work. I like to give you guys extra oomph. I like to give people art with extra oomph, so that's why I get the way that I get. But I love streams because it just shows another side of me. So yeah guys, definitely show up there. I've made this video too long already. So again guys, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.